latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Surat Suresh. Well, all of you must have heard several conspiracy theories surrounding the origin of COVID-19 outbreak. But this stance has received a pushback from China, stating that it is a political maneuver against Beijing. But now, 62 countries have backed Australia's resolution, which has asked for a probe into the origin as well as the handling of COVID-19 at the 73rd World Health Assembly, which will be happening at Geneva over the next 2 days, that is 18th and 19th. Now the question is, what is World Health Assembly? World Health Assembly is a key decision-making body of the World Health Organization, where the 194 member states of the United Nations will be taking part. This meeting happens at Geneva, but this time, because of the COVID-19 outbreak, it will be taking place virtually. Now, why is it crucial for these countries as well as the World Health Organization as well as Tedros, who is the Director General? It has come at a time, the pandemic has come at a time when the entire world, or globally, the World Health Organization has been questioned regarding the coordination as well as the advisory role for the pandemic. Now, not just that, United States has gone forward and it has questioned how World Health Organization has been slow in handling the entire COVID-19 situation. So now, there has been a proposal. What does the proposal say? The first point is it has to initiate and at the earliest the stepwise process of impartial, independent and comprehensive evaluation. This is what is said in the resolution. The second point is, nowhere in the resolution they have mentioned that Wuhan is behind this or China is behind this. But all they have said is that the identification of the zoonotic source of the virus is what needs to be identified, and a probe needs to be done in this particular process. Third one, there has been a call for universal, timely and equitable access to the fair distribution of all the quality, safe and affordable essential health equipments. So all of this has to be provided to all the nations so that they can combat the virus. Now the main question is, which are the countries which are backing Australia? At this point, Bangladesh as well as Russia, United Kingdom, South Africa, all of these, including the other nations, have backed Australia in this particular probe. Which are the countries which are not backing? Well, Pakistan, Maldives, Sri Lanka and several other nations have come forward. They have said, no, we will not sign the entire resolution. At this point, India plays a crucial role because it will be chairing the executive board meeting of the World Health Organization, that is the World Health Assembly, the 73rd one. Not just that, India has also had a stand regarding how the World Health Organization has always supported, but there has to be a probe into the origin of COVID-19. This is what India has said. Modi has also gone ahead and he has backed the reform of World Health Organization, but the origin needs to be understood is what he has said. So now, what is China's position in this entire resolution which has been passed? So China has called it a backlash. It has said that all the nations are targeting Beijing. It is targeting China as a nation, and they have said that we are not ready to accept the resolution which is passed. Secondly, Beijing has already stopped the import of meat to Australia, and they've also increased the tariff of the barley for Australia as well. So these are several decisions which has been taken by China as soon as the resolution was passed. Now the main question is, yes, it is still in the investigation process where they're asking the World Health Organization to take up an investigation. But during the investigation process, do you feel that all the conspiracy theories that you have been listening all this while could come true? Well, if you do, leave your opinion below in the comments section. Not just that, hit the bell icon and also follow us on all our social media platforms. Thank you for joining us.